Hi, welcome back. Nick Miller, Clarity Advantage. And this time we're going to focus on 3 keys to increasing referrals from centers of influence, COIs. You know, the biggest fear that COIs have when making a referral is that the referral will jeopardize the relationship with the person they are referring. Working on 3 factors can increase their confidence in us when they make a referral. First, competence. Whether COIs are referring friends to car mechanics or clients to bankers, they want to feel confident that the mechanics or bankers are competent, technically competent, and that they will give the referred friends or clients great outcomes. As bankers, this means we understand how businesses manage their cash flows, their challenges, and potential solutions. We understand credit, bank loan options and alternatives, as well as cash management and other services well enough to provide high-quality counsel. So competence, technical competence. Second, trust. If COIs are not comfortable with us, they will think their clients won't be comfortable either. Trust is critical. We need spotless reputations for integrity and honest dealing, unwavering focus on doing what's right for our clients and their clients. We need to give straight answers when asked tough questions like, "Can you get this deal done for my client?" We need to deliver on what we promise every time without fail, being authentic, being responsive, communicating after a referral. Third, value. Healthy referral relationships exchange value in both directions. Too many times, bankers approach centers of influence with their hands out, expecting referrals, offering nothing in return. To build perceptions of value, we can share ideas that expand COI's business expertise. For example, help them understand SBA financing better. We can refer them to people in our networks, find ways to help them with their community activities. Listen, offer counsel for their clients, give away our best ideas. So competence, trust, and value, 3 critical factors that will encourage accountants and other referral sources to send us their friends and clients, confident that we will take care of them and reflect well on them.